Hey learners! Do you remember our last video about homonyms where we have talked about the word bat as in the animal and the word bat as in the sport equipment? If you haven't watched it, you can click the link here. Now, think about the word meat and meat. A word that has different spelling, same pronunciation, is called homophone. In today's video, we are giving you a list of homophones in Bahasa Indonesia. Before we start, do not forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will stay updated on our last content. Let's begin. First thing first, 7 and 7. 7 means the number 7. For example, saya punya 7 apel. The word 7 means to point out where you are heading. Let me give you an example. Sekolah adalah tempat yang saya tuju. During this period of pandemic, mass gathering is strictly not allowed. This sentence contains two Indonesian homophones, which are Masa and Massa. The word Massa means a massive group of people both scattered and concentrated. For example, koran adalah sebuah media massa. On the other hand, the word masa refers to a period of time. Say, masa prasejarah dimulai dengan zaman batu. Next, tank and tang. You can say, tank hijau itu sudah berkarat. In different circumstances, you can put tang in a sentence by saying, Anda bisa bantu saya berikan tang itu? Another homophones, sangsi and sangsi. If you do something against the law and you get caught, you will be punished. The so-called punishment, penalty, or sanction in Indonesian is called sangsi. For example, pengadilan dapat memberikan sanksi kepada penjahat. On the contrary, the word sangsi means to hesitate, to be unsure, or to be uncertain about things. Let's say, you don't trust your sister's driving skill. To speak this word, you can say, saya sangsi dengan kemampuan mengemudimu. Last but not least, bank and bank. Bank in Indonesian means the bank. You can say, saya akan pergi ke bank. On the other, bang is a short for abang, which means older brother. To use the word abang, you can say, Bang, Anda sedang apa? And we are done. We just have gone through some of Indonesian homophones. What do you think? Was it predictable or surprising? Let us know in the comment section below. Oh wait, not so fast, enthusiastic learners. Be sure to read more information about these homophones on our blogs. The link is attached in the description. Don't forget to let us know if you can find any more examples of Indonesian homophones. Do you find this video helpful? Give us a thumbs up and share this video to other fellow learners. Also, follow our social media accounts to stay informed about all LSI's updates. Sampai jumpa! Go away. Shh. Stop. Shh.
Lexi.
Go.
Nanti dia balik lagi.
This is where we have talked about the word bat. Wood.